nickname is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole. Name ain't Nicole.
Yo, I been on, bitch, you been con. Bentley tints on, Fendi prints on. I mean, I been storm, X-Men been formed. He keep on dialing Nikki like the prince on.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I've gotten into the habit of filming tutorials on Saturdays, and I like it. And then the looks usually come out really good. So I decided just every Saturday film a look. Today's look, I'm going to be using the Kathleen Lights times ColourPop Dream Street palette on my lid, and on my lower lash line I'm going to be using the James Charles palette. Why? Because the look that I'm going for today requires those two palettes. The shades I'm going to be using out of here are Water Bearer and Potion. Oh, it's backwards, which is why I'm getting the names wrong. Potion and Spark, although on the back they're labeled wrong. And out the James Charles palette, I believe it's Acapella and Hello. So yeah, anyway, I'll show that in the video when I get to it. Enough talking, let's get started. Now I'm going to take Spark and put that all over the lid, so from here to basically here. So if you're new to my channel, I do foundation, concealer, highlight, sometimes highlighter, and contour and blush. Sometimes blush. Today is not blush day. I used the shade 10% off as my contour today, so that's why it looks real deep there. If you don't have this palette, 10% off is this shade here. Anyway, I don't do all that on camera sometimes because it's like everybody does their own thing, so you know, don't want to waste time. I'm going to be taking this shade, I believe this shade is called Acapella, this shimmery blue shade, y'all. And I'm going to be putting that on my lower lash line because, actually no, I think I'm going to use Playground instead. Playground is this blue shade. I'm going to use Playground, and then I'm going to go into Hello for my inner corner. I know, it's a little weird, a little strange, but I'm weird, I'm strange, so this kind of makes sense actually. I also did not put on any liner because I'm going to use this as my liner as well. And sometimes I don't want to put liner there. Especially because half the time the color I put down here covers the liner. So I feel like it's pointless for me to put liner there. Like, I always put color on my lower lash line, always. So putting liner there sometimes just makes no sense. And I figured today, why bother? Playground is such a pretty blue. I'm 100% obsessed with the shade Hello, which is why it's often in my inner corner that I'm probably gonna hit pan on this shade, and that's sad. I would have to at least hit pan on 10 shades in this palette before I buy another one though. Cause like, you know how some people joke, oh, I hit pan on one shade, gotta buy another one. Nah. I would have to hit pan on at least 10 shades in here. But this is such a pretty blue. It makes me think of ice, I don't know why. But I like it. By the way, this entire look is just for me to go have coffee with a friend. This is what I do to go have coffee. That's insane. For lips today, I'm going to be using this Intercolor pencil in the shade Black Wine. It's a Korean brand. And then this ColourPop mini lippy stick in the shade Brink. There's a video on my channel of me swatching these shades. And I kind of thought Brink was really a pretty color. And I don't own a lipstick like it. Or even a matte lip. Who am I kidding? Most of my lips products are matte, liquid matte lipsticks. There we go, I can see a lot better. Then I'm going to take Brink. I know that was like slightly kind of sort of ratchet. There's a piece of brush hair on my lip. I feel it. Lovely. Now I gotta find it. And this is the finished look. Yes, I did put a hat on. It's cold. And until it's not cold, I'm always gonna wear a hat. I'm not gonna curl my hair today. That's too much work. I already did all of this. This piece of hair. Go to where you belong. I did add the lip luminizer from Fenty Beauty in the shade Vacray, just in the center a little bit. But I like this. Alright. Yes, I'm wearing my Stanley Excelsior shirt. Don't judge me. I'm a nerd. Big nerd. Oh yeah, I don't know what I'm doing to my hair right now. But I do like this look. And I do love the Kathleen Lights palette. So, glad I got to use it today. Anyway, that is it for today's look video tutorial. I really like it. I'm feeling it. I will be filming another look. You're going to see this look again because I'm going to film a video later of my year-end project pan update. I started like January 3rd of last year, so I'm going to finish it up now anyway. No, it's January 2nd. Anyway, I'll explain all that in the video because I have notes, so see you all next time, later, etc. Bye.